Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with you a very quick and easy yet very delicious recipe. It only has like 4 ingredients and literally takes like 10 minutes to make. So let's get started. So you can choose to boil your chicken breast and shred them, which will obviously take a little longer, or you can use rotisserie chicken. It tastes just as delicious. Today I chose to use rotisserie chicken and I added 4 cups of shredded chicken and I'm just going to fry that. Once the chicken is fried, I'm going to add 1 cup of buffalo sauce. I use the Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce, which I also use for buffalo wings. So I'm going to incorporate that. Once that was incorporated, I added 1/2 cup of ranch. You can use organic ranch, light, whatever you want to use. So just 1/2 cup of ranch. And then I added 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. You can use pepper jack cheese, American cheese, the cheese blend, whatever cheese you want. I just chose to use mozzarella cheese. So once the cheese has melted, it's going to be very cheesy and stringy. And then we're going to move on to our buns. I used King's Hawaiian rolls, and to prep them, I got 1 tablespoon of butter, added a dash of garlic powder, and a dash of pepper. I melted that and brushed onto my buns. And this is what mine turned out like. I hope you like them. I hope you give them a try. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.